Moving on for now to South Korea, just ahead of the June 3rd presidential election, the country's fast-changing political landscape is keeping the voters guessing amid a slew of legal challenges, resignations, and also emerging candidates. And the country's main opposition party candidate, Lee Jae-myung, is caught in a legal crisis, with South Korea's apex court overturning his previous acquittal in an election violation law case. The court has ordered a fresh trial, in fact, in which a conviction for Lee could result in a 5-year ban from contesting elections. Meanwhile, uncertainty is looming on the other side of the political spectrum, acting president resigning just after the Supreme Court ruled against the Democratic Party nominee, Lee Jae-myung.
A short while ago, I tendered my resignation as Prime Minister and Acting President. 2 paths lay before me. One is to carry on in my current role. The other is to step down and take on a greater responsibility.
And hours after Han's resignation, the finance minister also resigned just before the National Assembly reported a motion to impeach him. The impeachment motion, Choi is accused of delaying the appointment of the 9th Justice to the Constitutional Court during his time as acting president, and former President Yoon's People's Power Party is yet to nominate a presidential candidate. The dynamics of conservative primaries will shift if Han also throws his hat in the race. Conservative primaries are already in their final stages, with Kim Moon-soo and Han Dong-hoon emerging as the frontrunners. If Han Duck-soo enters the race, the Conservative Party will basically have to choose between allowing him a late entry in the primaries or nominating him as a consensus candidate. Already trailing behind in the opinion polls, the Conservative vote risks getting divided further if Han goes alone. Snap elections were triggered in South Korea after the Constitutional Court upheld Yoon's impeachment. Yoon is a bystander in this election, but the legal net is coming in on him. Apart from the charges of insurrection, Yoon has been indicted on an additional charge of abuse of power over his brief declaration of martial law in early December.